Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through generating a secure SSH key to establish a protected, passwordless connection between your local computer and GitHub. Encryption keys provide a much safer alternative to traditional passwords, and setting one up takes just a few quick commands in your command line. First, open up Terminal if you are using Mac or Linux, or launch Git Bash if you are on a Windows machine. Type the command SSH-keygen -t space ed25519 space -c followed by your GitHub email address inside quotation marks and hit enter to initiate the creation process. The system will prompt you to choose a file saving destination, so simply press enter to accept the default hidden directory path provided. Next, you will be asked to type in a secure passphrase for an extra layer of protection, which you can input now or hit enter twice to leave it blank. With the keys officially generated, you need to copy the public half by typing cat space tilde /dot SSH /ID underscore ed25519.pub. Highlight that complete output block of text that appears on your screen, copy it, and then head straight over to github.com in your browser. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, select Settings from the drop-down menu, and jump over to the SSH and GPG keys tab on the left. Click the green New SSH Key button. Choose an easily recognizable title for your computer, paste your copied key text into the large box, and click Add SSH Key to finalize your secure link. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.